Hello, fifth grade. It's so good to see you. We're going to be preparing to take spelling test number 23 in this lesson. So if you could get a piece of notebook paper out, write your first and last name and the date. It is Monday, March 23rd. And title it Spelling Test number 23 and number 1 through 25. Now, I want to remind you that you are on your honor when you take your test at home. That means that you don't have any of your spelling words out or any notes, depending on the test that we're taking. For this one, it's spelling, obviously. So we want to make sure that we don't have any of our words out or anything like that. I know you're going to do the right thing. I'm trusting you. You're honorable, good, and godly young people. So we all need to adhere to that when we take our tests, that we have no notes out. All right? So you will be given your spelling test every Friday from here on out. We're not going to do pre-tests while we're at home. This is Monday, and I'm giving you last week's spelling test because we didn't have everything in place yet. And so we've been working really hard this week as teachers to get everything ready to teach from home. So wish I was with you, and we'll be together soon. I'm believing that. We're praying for that. But for now, we'll be seeing each other on YouTube. All right, so prepare your paper, number 1 through 25. Now you're going to see me throughout the course of this test looking down because I'm looking at the words and to know which word I'm going to give next and come up with examples. So forgive me for that, but I need to look at the words in order to give it to you, just like when we're together. I'm going to tell you the words 2 times, then I'm going to put it in a sentence, and then I'm going to tell you the word a third and final time. Now, the great thing is that at any time, if you miss a word, you can just go back and watch this again. Okay? So let's get started. So it's spelling test number 23. Word number 1, imperfection. Imperfection. There is no imperfection in Jesus. Imperfection. Number 2, nonsense. Nonsense. Sometimes cartoons are full of a lot of nonsense. That's what makes them fun. Nonsense. Number 3, imports. Imports. America imports products from other countries. Imports. Number 4, incapable. Incapable. The devil is incapable of doing anything good. Incapable. Number 5, exports. Exports. America exports many products to other countries. That means we send them to them. Exports. Number 6, incomplete. Incomplete. Make sure you don't have any incomplete assignments during our time at home. Work really hard. I'm working hard on my end. You work hard on your end too. Incomplete. Number 7, nonfiction. Nonfiction. The book report book that you're reading for, your autobiography or biography of an African American, is an example of a book that is nonfiction, meaning it's true. Number 8, expression. Expression. The girl had a funny expression on her face when she ate a sour lemon. Expression. Number 9, inactive. Inactive. Somebody who isn't active is inactive. Inactive. Number 10, exchange. Exchange. We will exchange information through emails. Exchange. Number 11, informative. Informative. I hope my lessons on YouTube are informative. Informative. Number 12, impolite. Impolite. It is impolite to interrupt someone when they're talking. Impolite. Number 13, abdomen. 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 Abdomen is the third section of an insect's body. Abdomen. Number 14, thorax. Thorax. The thorax is the middle section of an insect's body. Thorax. Number 15, exoskeleton. Exoskeleton. Some animals have skeletons on the outside of their bodies. That makes them an animal with an exoskeleton. Exoskeleton. Number 16, segmented. Segmented. Segmented means to be divided into different parts. Segmented. Number 17, invertebrate. Invertebrate. An animal without a backbone is an invertebrate. Number 18, species. Species. There are all kinds of different species of animals on our planet. Species. Number 19, antenna. Antenna. The insect's antenna is a sensory organ. Antenna. Number 20, contortion. 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 Contortion means for something to be twisted outside of its normal shape. Contortion. Number 21, bilateral. Bilateral. Bilateral means relating to two sides. Bilateral. Number 23, unilateral. Unilateral. Unilateral means relating to one side. Unilateral. Number 24, Nevada. The capital of the great state of Nevada is Carson City. Exactly. Nevada. Number 25, Massachusetts. 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 The capital of the great state of Massachusetts is, you got it, Massachusetts. All right, so like I said, if you need to hear any word repeated, just go ahead and rewatch this YouTube, and I will be back with you soon with our next spelling test on Friday, March 28th. Lesson number 24, which is a review lesson, so you don't need to do definitions or sentences, just your ABC order. You're welcome. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.